If I haven't mentioned it before, I'm quite obsessed with coffee, whether in the workshop, which fuels my day, or just in my life in general. So, when my wife surprised me with a coffee advent calendar that she curated, she went all over our local city to different roasters, and I was floored. I love coffee and I love variety, and most of these coffees are coffees I've never had before. This is one of my favorites that I've had in the past, but by a great roaster here in Austin. And just looking at the quality of the roast, I was eager to try these. You can see here that it looks very fresh, and I tore right into this as soon as I got it. I was like, let me make a cup. So, using my fellow oat grinder, which I'm very happy to have invested in a few years ago, has produced great grinds and good coffee over the years. And setting it fairly fine for the Yirgacheffe as I did turned out very well. Good clarity and a bright flavor, especially when I pair it with my Chemex here. Very nice quality, very good tasting. Please comment down below if you have any favorite coffees or roasters to recommend. I would love to try something new. As always, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.